teachers and my dear friends. Once again, I welcome all you. आना तेरा मुबारक तशरीफ लाने वाले, खुशियाँ मना रहे हैं दीदार पाने वाले, वो आए हमारे घर, ये खुदा की कुदरत है, कभी हम उनको कभी अपने घर को देखते हैं. Friends, you know, since the inception of the world, two diseases have been following the human being. Those two diseases are leprosy and tuberculosis. It is the most oldest disease of the human being. And before the prehistoric man, the scenario was that today that scenario is all the same. We are unable to contain this dreaded disease. Okay, in the last decade, there have been some innovations in the field of treatment modalities, diagnostic strategies, and preventive measures. I will just highlight within a short span of time, the time is more, about the recent advancement in tuberculosis. Outline of myself is a recent advancement in the treatment, diagnostic modalities, and preventive measures if we can contain. Actually, two new drugs have been added in the last 2 decades. Those two are magic drugs, bedaquiline, which is marketed as a Sarduru, and it has been approved by the US FDA in 2012. And second drug is Delamanate. These two drugs have been approved and in the now 3rd phase trials. Bedaquiline is a very magic drug for the treatment of drug-sensitive tuberculosis and MDR tuberculosis also. Now these three novel combinations have come up. As far as the treatment modality is concerned for the MDR tuberculosis, these are in the 3rd stage of the trials, NC01 trial, GM pass trial, consisting of bedaquiline, moxifloxacin, PA24 and pyrazinamide. Second trial is CJ pass, Chief Justice pass like this, clofazimine, bedaquiline, PA24 and pyrazinamide. And third trial is the next study. Now we know the treatment of the MD tuberculosis, multi-drug resistant tuberculosis is very tedious, consisting of more than 2 years. Now trials are going on to shorten the duration of the treatment. As far as the MDR tuberculosis is concerned, instead of conventional and traditional regimen, the innovation is 6 months investigation regimen consisting of these 6 drugs: levofloxacin, linezolid, pyrazinamide, ethanamide, high-dose INH, and bedaquiline. This Delamanate, some few words about this drug. The dose is 100 mg PD for 24 weeks, and it is also in the final phase trial. We know this is sultazolid. This is also a magic drug. It is the analog of the linezolid, and it is helpful in shortening the treatment duration as far as MDR tuberculosis is concerned. The next novel and latest drug is SQ109. This is the analog of ethambutol. It can be additive drug to INH, rifampicin, and most of the second line drugs. Third novel drug is PA824. It is also known as the plutonium. Very wonderful magic action, bactericidal as well as sterilizing action. It will act as a synergistic drug with moxifloxacin and pyrazinamide, and it is also very useful drug in the co-infection of TB and HIV. Now trials are going on across the globe, across the horizon, consisting of the moxifloxacin. Moxifloxacin is in the initial period so that the duration of the regimens as far as the TB is concerned can be shortened. There are multiple trials going on. This famous trial is Remox TB trial, and which is this control trial is we are using HRZD and HR. Against this control trial, these two trials consisting of these drugs HRZM, HRM, INH, rifampicin, pyrazinamide and moxifloxacin, and this is for the intensive phase. In the continuation phase consisting of 2 months, that is HRM, INH, rifampicin, moxifloxacin, and second arm of this investigational regimen is MRZD-MR consisting of moxifloxacin, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, ethambutol, and in the continuation phase of only 2 months, moxifloxacin and rifampicin. This will shorten the duration from the 6 months to 4 months. These all trials are in the synergistic of the moxifloxacin. Now this is a very ultra latest trial, that is STAND trial. In the short form, full form is shortening treatments by advancing novel drugs. And this trial, PALMS, commonly known as PALMS, consisting of 3 drugs, PA-824, moxifloxacin and pyrazinamide. And it will shorten the duration of the TB treatment only for 4 months instead of the 6 months. Now these trials are going on in the last final stage, and because of the innovation done by Modi, as far as Modi's dard, because दर्द दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, man has been created for the दर्द दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, वरना क्या कम थे इताअत के लिए करो बयान. गॉड की वर्शिप के लिए एंजल्स, crores of angels are there, but the human beings have been created for a special purpose. दर्द दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, वरना क्या कम थे इताअत के लिए करो बयान. So Modi has identified this innovation, and this new magic drug, Rizorin, has been innovated and has been in practice with the view of shortcoming of the rifampicin. These are the comparative measures of the rifampicin and Rizorin. Rizorin is very useful as far as these side effects of the rifampicin is concerned. GI side effects, hepatotoxicity, elderly, malnourished, like this. This was all about the diagnostic innovations. Now the innovations, treatment innovations in diagnostics. Now across the globe, across the horizon, there are many tests for the diagnostic modalities of the tuberculosis, which is a very dreaded disease. Because the TB it has not spared anyone, any country. Like this, TB नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, TB नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, TB बेसिलाए हम सारा जमाना हमारा. It doesn't spare anyone, from America to Senegal and from Europe to Middle East. Diagnostics, as far as diagnosis is concerned, traditional diagnostic modalities are still there. Visualization of the bacteria by the microscopy. But new modalities have come. As far as this latest diagnostic modalities now have been invented, WHO endorsed these 4 modalities. In our Nagpur, the MGIT, liquid culture is there. Gene expert is, this test is also there. And oldest Methods were also there, LJ medium and liquid medium. Liquid culture, MGIT, it is present there in our medical college, GMC. Gene export, these technologies also now has come up. Molecular light probe is also there. It gives the results as far as the drug resistance is concerned. STIP specification, this is a new modalities. Detects a TB specific antigen. That antigen is MPB64 from positive liquid or solid cultures. This test is not capillary TB rapid diagnostic test. Some gene expert, it is very good. Since the microscopy after 40 years, it is a very good test. Gene expert, it gives the results within 2 hours. It gives the resistance as far as the rifampicin is concerned, and we can start anti-MDR treatment. 2 newer modalities of diagnosis have also come up, that is MTB-DR plus, MTB-DR-SL, second lines. It gives the resistance to the first lines and second lines. Now interferon gamma release assay, this is also one newer technology. Measures interferon gamma secreted by T cells, and there are 2 diagnostic modalities present nowadays as far as this IGR is concerned, quantiferon TB gold and T-spot TB. Now at the end, serological tests, they give more harm than the good. It has been banned by the Government of India and RNTC. In the last advances in the prevention of the TB, we are still there. We are using for the prevention BCG vaccination. Now trials are going on, inventions are going on, innovations are going on for replacement of the BCG vaccine or booster to the BCG vaccines. Now these 2 vaccines are in the demo as far as innovation is concerned in the last trials. Areas 402, MVA, 85A. Despite all the advances, TB is still there across the globe, across the horizon. TB bacilli is saying that सारा ज़माना हमसे है, ज़माने से हम नहीं. Still the challenge is there. We have to accept the challenge because we are the human beings and we have been created for the purpose of dard. यही है इबादत, यही दीन व ईमान कि इंसान के इस दुनिया में इंसान के काम आए इंसान. So at the end, we have to partake this Mycobacterium tuberculosis with newer technologies as far as the treatment is concerned, diagnostic. At the end, I will only tell, नहीं वो लड़खड़ा सकते संभाला जिनमें होता है, चमकते हैं वही जुगनू उजाला जिनमें